Hello guys and welcome. So the first thing to have a new fresh installation of Laravel, right? So if you would like to install Laravel, you can go through this documentation so you can understand more about how to install Laravel. In my case, I'm not going to use this command out of the composer. You can do so if you wish, but since I have Laravel installer installed, so we can just use it. I will open my terminal so we can install a new fresh version of Laravel. I will navigate to my site's website and I will create a new Laravel application called Laravel Recipes. Now, since it's done, I'm going to open it using my preferred IDE, which is in this case, PHP Storm. Okay, cool. Now we have a fresh installation of Laravel. So the first thing we should do is simply configure the database. So if you to open the environment file where you can configure your application for this environment, you can see at the very start, we have the database related details. And here where you can configure simply the driver that you would like to use and the credentials. In my case, I'm going to use MySQL, which is the default one, and I'm going to use a database called Laravel Recipes local. So in my case, the credentials are root and secret. And in a second, I'm going to show you how to create a new database, and let me even copy it for now. If for some reason you would like to understand what are the other drivers that Laravel has or integrates with, you can simply go to config directory, and inside that we have database. And here where you can simply see all the available drivers, and you can, if you wish, use something else like PostgreSQL. In my case, I will stick with MySQL. So let's get back to our environment. Everything here seems to be fine. So I will just go ahead and create a new database. So I will go ahead and open my database management system. In this case, it's Table Plus. So I already logged into my local machine. So I will create a new database. It's called Lara Recipes _local. For the collision or the encoding, we will use UTF-8, but for the collision, we will use simply the UTF-8, Unicode, and CI, which is case insensitive. And I will hit OK. I will open my new database, which is empty by now.